If you're getting a Steam DirectX error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This error usually happens when a game can't properly communicate with your graphics hardware, or when the DirectX files it needs are missing, corrupted, or simply outdated. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it without reinstalling your whole game or your entire system. So if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are one of the most common causes of DirectX errors, especially the ones that say function not supported or device lost. If your GPU driver is old, Steam games may struggle to launch correctly or may crash as soon as they try to use DirectX. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can open GeForce Experience and let it check for updates automatically, or you can go directly to NVIDIA's website and download the latest driver for your exact graphics card. If you use AMD or Intel, go to their official support sites and install the newest stable driver for your device. After updating, restart your computer so the new driver can load properly. This step alone fixes a huge number of DirectX-related Steam issues. Next, install the DirectX end-user runtimes. This is especially important because many older Steam games still rely on DirectX 9.0c or DirectX 10 components that are not always included by default in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Even if your system already has a newer version of DirectX, it may still be missing older runtime files that the game expects. To fix that, go to Microsoft's official website and download the DirectX end-user runtime web installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. The installer will check your system and add any missing DLL files that the game needs. This can repair broken runtime components and restore compatibility with older titles. After the installation finishes, restart your PC again so everything can initialize properly. Now, if the error only happens in one specific game, the next step is to verify the game files in Steam. Sometimes the game's local files, shader cache, or supporting DirectX data can become corrupted. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is showing the DirectX error, then right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties menu, go to Installed Files. From there, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game folder and compare every file against the official version. If anything is missing or damaged, Steam will automatically download and replace it. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, but it is one of the safest and most reliable ways to repair launch errors. Once it's done, launch the game again and see if the DirectX problem is gone. If the game still will not start, double-check that your Windows system is fully updated too. Sometimes a missing system update or an outdated graphics component in Windows can contribute to DirectX failures. You should also make sure you are not running unnecessary overlays or background apps that may interfere with the game, such as screen recorders, performance tools, or conflicting overlays. Keeping your system clean and updated gives DirectX the best chance of working correctly. So, to quickly recap, the best fixes for a Steam DirectX error are updating your graphics drivers, installing the DirectX end-user runtimes from Microsoft, and verifying the game files inside Steam. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get your game launching again. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.